my dear colleagues, I'm really happy to announce that I'm holding a seminar in Minsk on the 7th of July. And this Summer Express workshop, you are going to get a priceless experience. I hope that you will get it, I'm sure. And now I'm going to tell you something in details about this workshop. So in this workshop you will get fundamental requirements for creation or borrowing of games. This seminar is called Games in English or English in Games. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Sure. So, in this seminar, we're going to discuss how to make your lesson effective and special. Moreover, we are going to present you many variants of games, so all types of games for every language activities like listening, reading, writing, speaking. We're going to supply you with great warming up activities. What is more important at every English lesson is motivational tip. So we're going to give you some super motivational hints for students. How to motivate your students, what tricks you may use in your lesson. What is more, you're going to get a must-have pack which consists of all useful, significant, effective internet resources which will help you in preparing for the lessons and maybe which will make your mind work in I would say in a creative way. Okay, and that will be really practice time. It will be really practice time. What I mean is that at the very end of workshop we are going to take some very renowned British edition books. We're going to discuss them, what kind of structure they have, what kind of material they present, and then we're going to make a list our own communicative games. It will be very interesting and fascinating. I hope that we will see you soon. So for more details, contact me please, and we will discuss everything in private manner. Thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.